Hey guys, good morning. I've been up since 5:30. Again, slept at about 12:30 last night. So it's again my sleep's been again disturbed, and I think it's largely because of late dinner because I had dinner last night at 11 p.m. because of the schedule somehow because of the gym marathon. Then I had to travel to my sister's place, and so the dinner happened at 11 p.m. I think that's the culprit for last night's sleep. But fine, I'm gonna catch up a bit. And I walked a bit. I've had breakfast. Like generally, I have breakfast about 12 to 14 hours, but today I had breakfast about 9.5 hours of night break. So I'll just head home after this in a few minutes. After that, I'll rest a bit. Then I have some administrative shit to deal with. And then I'll most likely work in the afternoon from a cafe. I'm on a gym break today. Hopefully, I can maintain it. I don't want. Ideally, I should take a break. I shouldn't go. I find it hard to take a gym break. Very hard. But I should take a break today. Because my body is really tired. So I should take the break. Yeah, I think largely that's about it right now. I'll catch you guys later. Hope you have had a good morning or good evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'll catch you. Always remember to smile, even if it's hard to smile. Remember to make an effort to smile, because if you make an effort to smile, you would manage to smile, and that'll make you feel better.
Hey guys, it's about quarter to noon. I'm back to where I live. Okay, I got a lot of food for the week. About 4 to 5 days of food I've got. So yeah, that's how I roll. And that's how life's working right now. Okay, so I need to get food from home. I mean, the thing is, I need only one meal a day, really, in terms of proper vegetables and roti, rice. The rest I manage. So I need one meal. So I just came back. It was like a long drive. It's a 20-kilometer drive. Last night when I drove, it took like about half an hour, 35 minutes. At this point, it was all fucking congested. Gurgaon is really congested during daytime, especially the golf course extension was really congested. So it took me over an hour to reach back. That's fine. So I'm back now. Mamta is about to come. I've been told. Mamta, house help. So she's about to come. I don't know what's wrong with her. She should take leave. I'm so late. She can easily tell me, मैं इतना देर नहीं कर सकती है, and I'll happily accept. But she's like, I'm coming. She's coming. So I have to wait for her. I have had breakfast, so it's all good. I mean, I'll have lunch late now, and there's some administrative shift starting 1 o'clock. Some spam call coming right now, which I'll.
Hey guys, so I slept for a while. Before that, I had lunch. So I had 2 eggs and some rice. And after that, I rested for a while, about an hour. The alarm was 1.5 hours, but again, I woke up in an hour. I know the fuck is wrong with my sleep. It's like you don't sleep whatever time you set the alarm for. I'll decide how much you sleep. So every time I set an alarm, I wake up before the alarm. It's been happening like for the last at least 1 week. It's crazy. Anyhow, so I'm going out now. I don't have gym in the evening today. I'm finally taking a gym off. I'm glad I'm not going to the gym. Because last week I did, and that's not fair. So that's not fair to myself. I should allow myself a break in the week. So yeah. So today is the gym break. So I'm going out now. I'll work. I have to write a bunch of shit. I have a lot of stuff to do. Right? Creative stuff, good stuff. Obviously there's administrative stuff on the side which will be done when it will be done, but it's on the side. So right now I'm going to do some creative stuff. I'm going to write some jokes, look at my blog. I haven't touched it in a while. Respond to some people who asked some questions about my blog. I have a call at 6 p.m. with a guy who has asked me if I'm to appear on his podcast. So that's a good thing. People should invite me on their podcast. I like talking. Yeah, I like talking. So I'm going out now to do a bunch of shit. Then in the evening, I'll hit the show. So that's the plan. Cool. Try to be happy. Hey guys, this is a quick recommendation. I think I've said it before. I may have said it before. I don't remember now. But if you like great music, meaningful music, rock star music, there's an artist called Pink. Pink followed by an exclamation mark. I followed some of her music like several years back, but then I kind of forgot about her. I've recently discovered her again, and listening to almost all her songs, and check her out. Okay, I highly recommend Pink with an exclamation mark. So I'll give you my ranking of Punjabi music right now in the world. Okay, I mean when I say in the world, it's mostly from India, because these guys live in Canada, whatever, but they started here. So in terms of ranking, Satinder Sartaaj is number one. Okay, there is not any singer in the world, artist, who sings more deeply, more beautifully than Satinder Sartaaj. That's number one. Followed by, at this point, Karan Aujla. Karan Aujla's lyrics is top class. It's gangster lyrics. If you want to feel powerful while listening, enjoy the music. Karan Aujla is gangster lyrics, top class. Followed by Diljit. These are the top three. So that's my ranking of Punjabi music right now. And actually, if I'm listening to Punjabi, that's what I'm listening to most of the time. Hey guys, this is Amar, and I'm waiting for the second show. The first show went well. There were 4 people, and I did a really good crowd work. At least I did a 20-minute spot, and out of that about 12 minutes I did crowd work, 8 minutes I did jokes, and with 4 people I did about 12 minutes of crowd work. So with one guy I only spoke about 5 minutes, then another guy for about 5 minutes, so about 12 minutes I did crowd work only. I'm pretty good crowd work. I had fun. I think crowd work is fun when you're having fun. So I'm really good at crowd work. Once my videos start working, I'll start crowd work shows, and then I'll not stop. Once I start crowd work shows, then I'll not stop. Cool, there's some audience here. I'll talk to you later.
ये लोग जो मार्स से उतर आए हैं तबाही मचाने, इन्हीं के डर से कुछ लोगों ने अंबर से दिल्ली की तरफ मकान ले लिए कि यहाँ हालात ख़राब हुए ना तो वहाँ चले जाएंगे, पर हमने नहीं लिया क्योंकि हम नहीं जाएंगे।
खुदा ना खास्ता वो आपके दरवाजे पर आ मरे तो?
मार्शे
क्या?
जॉर्डन खटोले से उतरे?
हाँ, वो ही आ गए आपको निकालने तो?
मैं यहाँ कर रह लूँगा सच्ची दलान में।
हाँ, ये मुसलमानों का घर है। सिख और मुस्लिम एक घर में थोड़ी ना रह सकते हैं।
नहीं रह सकते? रह सकते हैं।
कैसे भला?
कहानी है रोमांटिक।
Hey guys, the day review for last whatever day it was. What day it was? 24th. It's 25th now because I'm watching the movie right now. मैं वापस आऊँगा. I'm in the cinema hall right now. I'm very sleepy, but it's just interval right now. It's fine. It's been fun so far. Not as enjoyable as the reviews were. The reviews were great, but it's fine. The day was great overall. I think I wrote some jokes. I also hit the shows, 2 shows, theatre and Guftagoo. I took a gym break which I was supposed to take yesterday. And overall I think the day was well. So, and I'm watching a movie. And I'm watching a movie after a really, really long time. So I think overall the day was good. I hope you're sleeping if you are in India. So whatever. So basically, overall good day. I'm very sleepy right now, but I'll try to watch another hour of the movie. Hopefully I'll finish it. If I don't, I don't. Okay. So fine. Good night. Bye.